Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Quincy here, with your go to guy for the latest and greatest in AI technology and web development. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button because today I'm going to review the smart AI chatbot that my dad made. And it's not only going to save you time, but boost your earnings. And you got something to
You
say
want
that?
to introduce me to the? You want to introduce me to the people?
No, I was saying you got something to say that?
Yeah, yeah. So I'm Quincy's dad. I'm Jamal, and what he's gonna introduce you guys to is the a smart bot. So the smart bot will go out and collect emails for you, book appointments, and it will save you a lot of time. And it's integrated with Zapier and other tools like MailChimp. So the emails that it will collect for you, it will go to your MailChimp or your database, and you can actually have a drip campaign and send this thing out to nurture your potential visitors to your website, and eventually they'll buy something from you when they're ready in 2 to 3 months. So it's a way to nurture the um, the clients that's coming to your site. It'll book appointments for you. So if they're ready to buy, it'll book appointments. You can set your Stripe and other payment gateways up, and it will accept payments for you. So it's an awesome tool. And Quincy's going to get into it now and show the chatbot that I have on my website. It's a booking chatbot, so he's going to give you guys a little demo of how the chatbot appears, and if you turn the audio up, just let them hear what it says because it actually talks as well. So he's going to get into it, and I'll be quiet. You guys can check it out.
All right, we're right now at the website, and all I have to do is press this icon right here.
If you're looking for a professional carpet cleaning, repair, or water damage restoration company in your area, Everett Carpet is the one for you. We'd like to set up a free non-obligation consultation. Our core services are carpet cleaning, carpet repair, water damage restoration, and oriental rug cleaning. My name is Sarah. Can I book your appointment now?
All right,
What is your name?
I'm about to like put my name down right here.
Nice to meet you, Jamal. What date would you like?
And I could pick any date that is available right here. I pick June 5th.
Thank you, noted. What is your phone number to call you and set up a specific
Just
time?
make up a fictitious number. I'll delete it out when it comes to me.
Okay, got it. Once we set it all up, we can send you an email reminder with all the info on the appointment. Would you like that?
I would like that.
And then also, Quincy,
What
the
email
next
can we
time
use
you
for
do
this?
another one, that when you do it again, you want to pick the other option that you would not like that, and then show them what how it reacts. If you say you wouldn't like that, it'll take them to another one. So,
Right.
what she asked you?
Right now, it's asking me my email.
Okay, just make up a email, and I'll delete that out as well. We're just doing a demo to show everyone how everything works and how efficient this is. That's good.
That's perfect, thank you. Please let me confirm this with you. Appointment date June 5th, 2024, name Jamal, contact phone 8002 351878, email jam2@gmail.com.
It looks correct to me.
What is it at? Okay, good.
Thank you. You can expect a call from the member of our staff soon.
And it saved
How
all
may I
that,
serve you further?
and it saved all that info into its
Yeah, it saved it into it used Zapier and then it saved it and then sent all that information to us. And you can actually log into the chatbot. So if you don't want to use Zapier or any other tools, you can actually log into the chatbot and then get all of the information that was left on the chatbot. So you can just check the chatbot every day to see what new clients, and you can put it in manually, or you can use Zapier to have them do a zap and then just send that information to wherever you want it to go, MailChimp, your email, wherever. So it's pretty cool to do that. So let's refresh the page and then let's do it where you pick the option no, that you don't want to book it that way, and just run through it and show them how it responds if you say no.
got it.
If you're looking for a professional carpet cleaning, repair, or water damage restoration company in your area, Everett Carpet is the one for you. We'd like to set up a free non-obligation consultation. Our core services are carpet cleaning, carpet repair, water damage restoration, and oriental rug cleaning. My name is Sarah. Can I book your appointment now? What is your name? Nice to meet you, Quincy. What date would you like?
What are you doing?
Right now I'm putting the date.
Okay, so you're just putting in a date right now?
Thank you, noted. What is your phone number to call you and set up a specific time?
Okay.
Okay, got it. Once we set it all up, we can send you an email reminder with all the info on the appointment. Would you like that?
No, I would rather call on the phone.
Okay, please let me confirm this with you. Appointment date June 8th, 2024, name Quincy, contact phone 808-846-4757.
Yep, this is correct.
Thank you. You can expect a call from the member of our staff soon.
And it just saved that onto that Zapier software.
Okay. All right. So this is one tool, guys, that you can use in order to actually, if you like this, it's not very expensive. If you would like this, you could just reach out to Quincy at Schultz Media Group. You can add this to any of your web pages. You can, the software and these bots, they can be used as smart bots, where if you are a YouTuber or an influencer and you don't want to use your own face and voice, you can not have it be a chat bot, but you can have like a clone and an avatar of yourself with your voice and clone the voice, and you can use this as your spokesperson. So what we're going to do in the future is we're going to design an avatar for Quincy, and we're going to use his avatar to do some of these videos, and then see what you guys think about the avatar doing the work for him. So he's just going to show you guys, and if you would like that as well, he'll be able to show you how he did it and what the cost is, and it's really not expensive. And this avatar and these bots here, they will actually learn all of your mannerisms, your anything that you say or you want your clients to know about your company. It will store all of that in its database. How you sell your services. It will, any videos that you have that you would like your clients to receive, it can actually give them the videos, the PDFs, text files, anything that you want. and it's triggered by different keywords. So if they put a particular keyword that you highlight, then it will know to give them the video. So let's say that you do business credit and you would help people establish business credit. A lot of your documents, videos, and things that you tell people on a regular basis will, the chatbot can just give them that. And you could be on vacation, you could be asleep, so the chatbot will give all of the exact information that you would give, that it would give it to your clients nonstop 24/7. And it's triggered by different keywords in the algorithm. And you can set, Quincy can set all of this stuff up for you guys. I'll show them. And it's a really, really good tool. It's a massive time saver, so it saves you a lot of time so you can enjoy your business instead of working so hard in your business. So it's going to help you make a lot more money, and it's going to give you a better way of life by using these tools. It's available to us. It's 2024, and we have to take advantage of the technology and the things that's available to us to make our lives easier, better, and so we're able to help people. So this is one of the tools. If they want to reach out to you, Quincy, how do they get in touch with you?
If you need any help with your web design, or like you want me to create like an entire website, make sure to go to like schultzmediagroup.com or call 800-461-3650. Again, my phone number is 800-461-3650.
Okay, all right. I'll let you take it from there as far as signing out or telling the people bye. All right, guys, you guys have a good day.
And remember, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you won't miss the latest video. And make sure to drop a comment about any questions that you have on this video. And with that, this is Quincy signing off.